In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge table cells in Jira descriptions and comments. If you have ever tried building a clean comparison chart, a project timeline, or a structured data table inside Jira, you already know that formatting can get messy fast. A table with split cells can make information harder to scan, especially when you want a single header stretched across multiple columns or rows. The good news is that Jira's cloud editor does support this. The option is just a little less obvious than many people expect. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to your Jira site or the Atlassian sign-in page. Then log in securely and wait for your dashboard to load. Once you are on the main workspace, open the software project you want to work in, then select the issue ticket you want to edit. This could be a story, task, or bug, depending on your workflow. The goal here is simply to open the exact issue where you want the table to appear. When the issue opens, move to the main text area. You can click inside the description field if you want the table to live in the issue details, or use the comment field if this is meant for an update or discussion. As soon as you click into one of those areas, the rich text editor will activate and display the editing toolbar. Next, insert a table. In the toolbar, find the table icon and click it once. Jira will immediately place a standard table into your text area. This gives you a simple starting grid that you can shape however you need. Now comes the key part. Click inside the first cell you want to include in the merge, then click and hold while dragging across the adjacent cells you want to combine. You can select cells across a row or down a column depending on the layout you're creating. Once you release the mouse, you should see those cells clearly highlighted. With the cells selected, move your pointer over the highlighted area. Then either right-click or click the small drop-down arrow that appears near the selection. This opens the Table Options menu. In that menu, find the option labeled Merge Cells and click it once. The cell borders between the selected areas will disappear, and Jira will turn them into one larger cell. After that, review your table carefully. Make sure the text wraps properly, the merged section aligns with the surrounding cells, and the overall layout looks clean and readable. Once everything looks right, click Save to publish the changes. That's it. You now know how to merge table cells directly inside Jira and create cleaner, more professional issue documentation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in